I need books in my life, especially when you don't have a TV and things are limited in here, I guess. So sometimes just to get stuck into a book and get your head out of jail is, I mean, it's good for mental health, it's just good for the soul.
You find some girls are really avid readers and have their favourite genres. Fiction's very popular, romance novels are very popular.
In the recent years, the Game of Thrones series has been our most popular series of books. We also have a great appreciation for an author called Robert Barrett, who writes the Les Norton series of books. Those are perennially popular, and we have other thrillers like those by Lee Child. The Jack Reacher series are also very popular.
Mainly self-help books and books about psychology and yeah, trying to keep a good mental health aspect in here and trying to overcome. You deal with a lot when you come in. You're forced to deal with a lot when you come inside, and the books can help clarify, give you guidance.
I'm doing a lot of self-help books, which because when I get out of here, obviously I want to improve myself, improve my feeling and thinking and how I my beliefs and things, maybe the reason I've got in here before. So I've been stuck into the self-help and willpower and kind of books, which I'm really enjoying.
So I think it's very well known globally how important books are. So there's a UN set of rules for the treatment of prisoners, and there's one rule number 64, which is specifically about libraries in prisons. So that really represents how important libraries are. And the reason that books are important in prisons is because obviously inmates do have a lot of time on their hands, and reading is a really productive way to use your time. You can learn new things, obviously, but you can also expand your understanding of other people, your empathy, and just also escape reality for a little while as well, which is, I'm sure, important.
Yeah, I think the books give them a chance to escape out of where they are and where they are in their lives at the moment, and just go off into something that could be a bit more positive for them, or just to have a break of the daily routine.
We're here to serve prisoners. It's a different clientele than out in the public, but very important clientele. We're here to support rehabilitation programs. We're interested in inmates not reoffending, so we play a very crucial role in contributing to this program. There are various activities, short programs here on site, and we strive to support these programs through inmates coming in to select books for reading and nourish their minds, discipline their minds, open up other areas that they had never been aware of. Some inmates, in fact, have never been in a library, so this is their first experience. So this will enable them actually to discover what a library can do for them.
I've never read a book in my life really since ever, and I'm 31 years of age. So coming into Silverwater is just another thing to get into reading.
So we've got at the moment around 150,000 books and magazines around the state, and those are catalogued in our system for inmates, and then at MRRC there's also another around 24,000 books. But obviously we're always adding more to the collection and refreshing the collection, so as books get old and used and damaged, they're discarded, and we thankfully have a good budget for purchasing new books for all of the centres, and magazines and newspapers as well. We also rely and very happy to receive donations of good quality books, which supplements what we can send out to the centres as well. From Brush Farm we manage all of the purchasing of the books and magazines, and we also work closely with Silverwater Women's to arrange all the covering and cataloguing of the books. So the books are ordered by our staff, they come in to Brush Farm, we sort them here with the help of an inmate library clerk here as well, and then we send them over to Silverwater Women's, who cover all the books with contact and catalogue them on the inmate system, which runs on a closed network just for inmates, and then those books get sent out all across the state to Broken Hill, Cessnock, and also all the regional centres, but also those in metropolitan Sydney as well.
I wasn't much of a reader before I came to jail, I'd say. Watched too much TV, I'd say. But being stuck in the cell 23 hours a day for the COVID lock-in really gave me a lot of time to start reading, and I found it quite beneficial.